everyone, it's Happymailqueen. So today I have a haul from Frank Garcia's studio, just a small haul. So I did want to get another chipboard stickers from Garden Party. So it's so cute. I am just absolutely in love with this collection. So I thought I'd better go ahead and get another. And then I decided to also get another one of the cut-aparts. So this is it's called Happy Day, but it's the cut-aparts and it's the double-sided paper. So I am starting to play with this collection. So I thought I better just get, most of the collection. I got the printed vellum. For some reason I thought it was acetate, but I guess it's vellum. But it's really pretty, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that on a project. And then you guys, as you guys know, on my last video I shared the project pad, and I did get the Obed Marshall Buenos Dias, and I thought, oh my gosh, okay, I better just get the whole collection or I'll regret it. And my bestie Sophia and I have been talking about this collection for a while, debating whether we're gonna get it, and she's so in love with it. And anyway, since I was able to get the project pad at such a good price, I thought, okay, well, I'm just gonna get the rest of the accessories. So so again, this is from Frank Garcia's studio, and have a little thank you note there from Karen. Thank you, Karen, for packaging this up so nicely. And I love ordering from Frank's because it's very close to me, and even though I do pay for shipping, it comes so fast and it's not that bad. So anyway, I did get these stickers, and these are the epoxy. They're so cute, and I might just have to get another one of those. I picked up these are the puffy stickers. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And I just love the colors, and this is just going to be the summer collection that I'm going to be using this year. And yes, some of them are, some of the words stickers are Spanish, so I probably won't use them, but everything else is super cute, so I don't mind. And then here are, oh my gosh, these are the acrylic stickers. How cute are these, right? And I'm sure some of you guys have seen this already, but if you were on the fence like I was, I mean, I love the collection as soon as it came out. It's just that there were so many other collections, and I was really trying to limit myself and not get every single collection that's out there that's new. But oh my gosh, it's so hard. It's so hard to resist. So Familia, I think I will use that one together. Felicidades, Smile. It's so cute. I love all the little elements. So this is another puffy sticker. And then this is the ephemera, and it looks like there's 10 that are glittered. So I kind of want to open it, you guys. Do I have time? I think I have time. This is such a small haul that I think I'm just going to show you guys real quick. And perhaps I should move this one over, and then I'll get back to it. So this is well, let me just show you this one. This is the other. So many stickers in this one. Oh my gosh, it was hard not to get all of them. I think the only ones I didn't get are the cardstock stickers. So anyway, recuerdos, which I think means remember, surprise, celebrate. I love these two. Vacaciones, fly away, and memories. Oh, that's what it is. Recuerdos is, maybe it's memories. Just seems like it's remember, you know. Momentos increíbles and adventures. And look at that. I don't know what alegría means. I don't recall. Felicidades. Love that. Love these. And this is a good weight. I love it. These are so pretty. I just love the colors. The colors are just fun and they're bright, but they're pastel at the same time. So look at that. And look at this. You get so many of these little page flags and Polaroid and tags. Oh my gosh. And then here's another one that I missed, which is another little flag or a banner. And then these, I think, are the well, no, these are some of them, as you can see, have the glitter. So see how they have the silver glitter on them? I really like that. I do like silver. So look at the balloons, so pretty, fun. And look at these. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh, I should have just gotten another one of these. Why didn't I? And the cake. Oh my goodness, love it. Gracias. Look at all these flowers. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love that they gave a lot of flowers. Yes. And I love that some of them are small. You know, I love the smaller clusters because it's easier to work with versus the bigger ones. But the bigger ones are the ones that have the silver glitter. But you could always add stickles to it. So anyway, that is the collection. And then the last thing that I wanted to share was this one, which is the the chipboard stickers. Look how pretty in the camera. So it is definitely a vacation, like a summer vacation theme. And I just love it. It's so pretty. So I hope you guys were able to get yours. And anyway, oh, and I forgot, I did also pick this up. I was enabled by Anna. She showed this Sizzix holographic texture roll, and I thought, oh my gosh, I have to have it. And it is, just like Anna said, it is super thick, you guys. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take it out. So it's not like what you would find at Hobby Lobby, you know, the ribbon rolls. This is, it's stiffer and it's thick. And yes, it would be perfect for a TN cover. So I had to have it because I love holographic. So yes, I love it. And you do get, just to let you know, what's the size? It is 12 inches by 48 inches. So it's a good amount, you guys. And I believe it was $12.99. Stay tuned. I do have some more videos for you guys this weekend. So I'll see you guys on my next video.